Do you want to lose weight in a healthy way, without starving and still enjoying a delicious meal? Imagine a soup that can help burn belly fat, improve your digestion, and boost your daily energy. Today, I'm going to teach you a powerful recipe that might be the push you need to transform your diet and your body. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe here at Healthy You, because every week I bring healthy, practical recipes that really work for those who want to lose weight with health and flavor. If you want to change your habits and see real results, this is the place for you. This chickpea soup is rich in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. The fiber helps keep you full longer, preventing snacking between meals, while the protein helps preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss. Also, chickpeas are excellent for controlling blood sugar levels and providing steady energy throughout the day. And the best part, all the ingredients are natural and accessible, perfect for everyday cooking. Here are the ingredients you will need. 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped carrot, 1 chopped celery stalk, 2 chopped garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon Italian herbs, 200 g cooked chickpeas, vegetable broth or water, enough to cover the ingredients, 1 chopped broccoli, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for sauteing, 2 tablespoons cooked chickpeas for the crunchy topping, 100 milliliters, heavy cream optional. To make the soup creamier, chopped parsley to finish, chili flakes to taste. To prepare, start by heating a drizzle of olive oil over medium heat and saute the onion. Add the carrot, celery, and garlic, stirring constantly, and cook for about 3 minutes. Now it's time to season. Add the paprika and Italian herbs, mixing well so the vegetables absorb all the flavor. Next, add the 200 grams of cooked chickpeas and cover with vegetable broth or water. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the chopped broccoli and, if necessary, add a little more broth or water. Season with salt and pepper to taste and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. While the soup cooks, prepare a special touch. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a pan and brown 2 tablespoons of cooked chickpeas. This crunchy topping will make your soup even more delicious. With the vegetables ready, blend everything in a blender until smooth and creamy. If you want, add 100 milliliters of heavy cream to make the texture richer and creamier. Mix well and finish with chopped parsley. Serve the soup hot, topped with chili flakes and the crunchy chickpeas. This is a light, nutritious meal perfect for healthy weight loss, keeping your energy and vitality throughout the day. Make it and enjoy every spoonful knowing you are taking care of your body. If you like this recipe and want to learn more healthy dishes to lose weight, subscribe now to Healthy You, activate the notification bell, and don't forget to like the video. That way, you won't miss any delicious and healthy new recipes like this one. And tell me in the comments, will you try this soup? What's your favorite ingredient in it?